How do we upgrade the RAM for Lenovo S100? It's got screws all over the base. There is no place where you can just remove the plate and put the memory inside. So we have to remove all the screws over here and here. All these screws have to be opened, and then when you open the screws, the keyboard will pop out. And there are some more screws here and here, all these places. And after removing the screws, you just need to remove the base of the machine. There would be a Lenovo seal here which you have to remove, otherwise this screw is not visible generally. You have to remove the seal. Firstly you have to remove the battery. And there are these 3 screws which you have to remove. The base of machine would be exposed after removing this base, and here is where the memory is. You can just replace the memory or the hard drive.